Hi, today is Monday the 27th, and this is the SPX Outlook for the week. And to start off with, this is the 4-hour chart, and we see that there's some possible upward channel with the lower boundary being a little bit unclear. It could be around here or further down. We have seen also in terms of variations that this line, the 2010-2015 line, has been a little bit erratic, but we must still look at it as a pivot. There are some constants in this madness, and that is that a quantum is still around 40 points or a multiple of it. These pivots on the last couple of days last week looked like it was contained 40 points below, 40 points higher, so more or less 2770 to maybe 2850. The bullishness is resumed, and now I can see that in pre-market trading, the CFD that represents SPX is pushing higher to aim for the 2890 again. We'll see whether it reaches there, whether we get a double top. This is a 4-hour chart, and if we look maybe at a longer time frame, the channel is the same. Here, let's briefly plot a fib from the crazy fall that we've seen. And yes, as I mentioned last week, it is possible that 2880, 2890 may not be enough. The market will need to test 2935. That's still a possibility. In terms of signals, there is at this point, but these type of signals may come a little bit too early, so there's still some hesitation here. But overall, this is still a market that is looking for its reversal point. So it may be 2890, it may be 2935, may just hover above just to exhaust the buying pressure. And now we can probably look at 2810 for the brave bears, or 2770 maybe as a signal to really engage into more selling pressure, with some caveats. We would have to look at behavior on channel lows. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we see the signals down, up. These are weak signals with strength hovering around zero. There is obviously some momentum, some of inertia here. For those of you who will analyze those support resistance levels as per Murray math lines, when combined with oscillator, like I'm using an entropy oscillator here. I'm digressing here, but let's say that those levels sometimes almost act as magnets. So it is possible that the market will have to test 2935. Anyway, end of this very short aside. I do believe we're going to be congesting here, maybe bullish congestion back to normal or even bearish congestion over the next few days. Lastly, a look at the 1-hour chart. It will give us some insight about the day to come. We still have that 2810, 15 look acting as a strong resistance pivot on higher time frames. We have seen here that there has been some excursion. This line could go back to this level, about 2890. That's a possibility. I still believe that this is a pivot in any case. If we were looking at really low time frames for people who want to maybe time their entries or adjustments, let's just consider this as a pivot, and this is a strong resistance, and this is the current strong support for now. Okay, that's it for now. So congestion. The next video will be for members of the class on how the rhino positions are being handled in this pretty much of a crazy market. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.